TukTuk Touchpad CL Lock. Latest innovation of security and convenience by CL Lock. Touchscreen function combined with CL Lock key system, which has been trusted by users extensively. Comes with 2 functional modes. In public mode, supervisor can appoint an admin up to 3 accounts and unlimited user accounts. In private mode, the system can support users up to 10 accounts. Password can be set from 4 up to 16 digits. Fake password function also provided for highest security. Comes with clear numbers and sound notification when the battery almost runs out. Comes with handle to open and close the lock easier. In case of emergency, the lock has USB port to connect with power bank and also has emergency key, which can be used to unlock without a password. TukTuk CL Lock can be easily installed on a variety of surfaces, whether it be wooden furniture, steel furniture, and glass furniture, using only 2 AAA batteries which can be adhered on surface by magnet or 2 screws. Be safe, be convenient, and be confident with TukTuk Touchpad CL Lock by CyberLock.